What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. So last time you saw us, we were working on the new Marketplace 240SX, and this thing kind of left us hanging when we went to fill it up with gas, which was funny because it ran out of gas on the way to go get gas. Although it fired back up and we made it home, we made it to the gas station. Not really sure what the deal was with that, but I don't know. It's been good so far. So we have a bunch of little stuff left to do on this thing before the ultimate makeover, which is going to be giving it a paint job because it is pretty ugly, and we talked about that when we first bought it. So that's been the plan for sure. But I'm going to go over like a handful of things that we're going to get done on this thing probably over the next few days because it's just too much to do in one night or whatever. So for the next couple days, we'll be kind of going over all the little things, cleaning little bits of it up, and then we'll ultimately be ready to start prepping it and sanding it and all that. Alright, so first thing that we need to do is the fan wiring. The wiring is kind of ghetto. It's got one of those like Mishimoto thermostatic switches on it where it'll turn on at a certain temperature, blah, blah, blah. I don't know if that's all wired up correctly. I want to look into seeing if I can utilize that and wire it in like that. If not though, I'm just going to wire it up to a switch, how all of our cars are. You just flip the switch, fans come on, you flip it down, fans go off. It's really simple. Interior still has a little bit of work to do. We actually did put in a steering wheel and a bride seat. It just kind of completes the look of the interior. It looks super nice, so kind of an investment into the car, but I don't know, it looks pretty sweet. We need to put the passenger seat in. We need to replace this door panel. We need to do something about the dash still. We got some of the rear seat stuff together. I just haven't actually like bolted it down, but basically we got the back half of the seat, we got some of these plastics in here, we got a glove box all bolted up, and then what we want to do back here is paint it because it's super ugly and very crusty. And last but not least, the wheels. Like, why is one of them, why?
They look good, they just need some paint.
Yeah, they're really not bad. I don't even know what they are. They're 17s. We'll get the fitment better and just paint them and it should look good.
Oh boy, this thing's hecka sturdy, dude.
All right, boys, check it out. We got the passenger seat all bolted in. The back seats are all bolted in. Looks honestly pretty freaking nice in here. The seat belts are a little gross and need to be cleaned, and this one doesn't actually retract. But other than that, like, dude, this looks pretty freaking legit in here right now. I'm pretty hyped on it. Let's see. Look at that, dude. So I still want to go through and actually like clean the seats. So that's all done, and then you guys just saw the door panel that I did. So I swapped this one with our old one, which was all torn up, right? But the speaker cover looks way better on that one, so I swapped those over. And then this is like not great, but this can be glued back super easy, and it'll look like perfect. So, well, you know, obviously. But it looks like the other one, so they're matching. Anyway, looks great. Brady was helping film those last few shots. How do you guys feel about Brady as my cameraman? Comment below. Intern Brady.
Intern Brady.
Let's get the clips, guys.
Look at him. He looks like a director right now with the hat. Sit in the director chair, dude.
We need the lighting a little less.
Yes.
And we're live.
Action. All right, guys, well, it has been another couple days. This project's one of those things where it's just like I only have a little bit of time to work on it here and there. But the good news is that we got a lot of stuff done. You guys just saw that we finished painting the trunk area, and honestly, it freaking looks pretty good. Like, it's just matte black, but before it was just super rusty and like spotty and stuff. So very simple, but effective. Simple yet effective. Okay. And then I also glued our door panel. Wham bam. Oh yeah, and then the fan wiring. Now, it looks even worse than before, but that's just because I'm kind of like, I was testing it to figure out, you know, how I wanted it all to work. So we have a switch that's already in the car, and it's already got 2 wires running off of it. The switch is in a pretty, you know, good location, I guess. It's just right here. Bam. So I figured we already have a switch, might as well use the existing switch, don't have to run new wiring or use a new switch. So I basically gave power to the switch right here. Right here is our ignition signal from our relay, and this is going to the switch. Now the issue before was that this fan wasn't coming on. Thanks to my buddy Austin, he came over the other day and we were just looking at it, and he helped me figure out why it wasn't working. We used a test light. I don't know if you guys have used a test light before. This thing is an incredible tool. We basically used the test light, and I went back on the wiring, and I found that right here it was crimped, but the connection was bad. And this blue power wire was actually not making a connection to this yellow one that they connected it to. I basically cut it, but connected it again. Now, yes sir, we got both fans working. So now obviously I have to go in and actually do the wiring, and I'm not gonna make it all ghetto like this. So I'm gonna finish all that up, but now we know both fans work. We got it on a switch. I'm not gonna use the thermostatic thing. So I'm just gonna get all this tucked away nice and neat, connect everything, and that should be it for our fan wiring. So it's pretty much all the major things we wanted to get done on this thing, and yeah, we're pretty much there. So anyway, guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment. Let us know what you guys think about the car. I'd love to know if you guys have any suggestions of stuff that we should do. Keep in mind, this is a budget build. The whole idea behind this car is to make a flip on it and basically, you know, put that money back towards the channel and whatnot. So if you guys have any suggestions, little upgrades, little things to clean up, leave a comment. Let us know what you think, or just tell me what you think of the car. I don't know. Like, we've been just, you know, making it look nicer and stuff. So let me know what you guys think. All right, I'll see you for the next one. Peace.